Now we have implemented the CRUD functionalities that we seen before. These CRUD functionalities are basic HTML and .NET Core. How about we add some styling and some data tables to that? So for that, I'll be needing three things. First will be Suite Alert, because of which we'll be having such nice alerts. Then we have toasters for notifications like this, and we'll be using data tables to list all the books in such a fashionable way. There are CDNs that are needed for that. What I will do is I will have a file attached with the CSS and the JavaScript. So you can just copy this, go back to your code. We'll stop it. We'll have to go to underscore layout. On top, we have the CSS. We'll paste it here for data tables, jQuery UI, and toaster. And we'll also copy the JS. And we'll scroll down to the JavaScripts and we'll paste it right here. Now with data tables, we need to add API calls to retrieve all of the books in a JSON format. And we'll also add an API call for delete. In order to add API calls, we need to add Web API to our project. Right now, it's only Razor. So for that, we'll right click, add a new folder. Let's call this controllers. I'll make it plural here, controllers. We'll right click, add a new controller in here. We can go with the MVC controller or the API controller. Anyone is fine. We'll just go with the MVC controller and we'll call this book controller. Inside the book controller, we will need our application DB context. So right here, we'll have private read only application DB context. We'll do a control dot underscore DB. We'll have the constructor application DB context DB and underscore DB is equal to DB. Then we need to implement the HTTP get and the HTTP delete. Let's just implement the HTTP get. We'll change this to get all. And with the get, it should be HTTP get. What we want to do is we want to return a JSON here. And we'll say new. We want to pass data is equal to underscore db dot book dot to list. So that way we'll retrieve the book and we'll pass it back when you call this API call. But APIs are not supported inside our startup right now. What we have right now is only add Razor pages. So in order to do that, we'll do services dot add controller with views. Once you add this, you'll be adding the API calls. We will also have to add that to our middleware, especially inside the endpoints. So we'll use endpoints.mapControllers. This way, the controller APIs will be called. And right here, we need to define the route that should be used to call this. So the route we'll just call is API /book, and this will be an API controller. So that way we'll make sure that the book controller is an API controller, and this is the route that will be used. Inside startup, since we have added map controller, you can navigate to this URL and get request will return you data from here.